Are you looking for pat testing for your office, rental property, musical equipment or power tools? Do you need a quick job with minimal disruption to your office, computers or tenants? Be careful if you get a cheap quote, because often you get stickers in place but the report isn't detailed enough for insurance or if you were to make any kind of claim afterwards. Our labels are neatly printed and the report is extremely detailed with all of the test results on it. So don't fall for someone who puts on stickers then disappears. We also have a bundle offer where if you get pat testing and an electrical condition report at the same time, you will make a saving. So give us a call today or use the online quoting tool to get your price.